Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Travel with Vani. But today we are not going to travel. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. So we're gonna make something which is very famous, extremely famous in Nepal. It's known as momo. You can call it dumplings, but it's more famous known as momo in Nepal. So I got someone very special today who's gonna help me with that, and she's gonna teach us the way she make it on her own way. My friend from Nepal, and her name is Takuri. I call her Kabi. So let's welcome Kabi in my vlogs. Come Kabi.
Hi, it's me Takuri. I'm very happy to be at Manisa's vlog today.
Yeah, and me too. I'm so happy to you're here with me because I really wanted someone in my vlog. So today, Kabi gonna show me how to make momo, and she's from Nepal, specifically from.
I'm from Pokhara.
A beautiful city, right?
Yeah.
I know you always tell me about it's so beautiful. So you're gonna make momo in your own way.
Yeah, the way I know.
Yeah. So she's gonna teach me. Let's proceed, and we'll show you what the ingredient. Yay! So here is all the ingredient. We already prep for it. All we need is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of momo powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, some sesame seeds, and spring onion. We got some chopped and soaked soya bean, red dry chili, some vegetable oil, and this is all the vegetable we chopped very finely. So we got cabbage, coriander, ginger, garlic, onion, and momo dough. So you can make it at home, but we choose the easiest way, so we buy it from the market. So guys, to start, we will combine some of the ingredients together to make the paste, vegetable paste, right, to fill the dumplings. So we will go with
This is cabbage and coriander.
yeah, and after that we'll go with
Onion.
onion, yeah,
Then we're gonna put soybean.
the soybean.
It's optional.
Yeah, because we are making vegetarian one, so else you can use chicken mince. Yeah,
Then we put momo.
the momo powder, all of them. Yeah,
Then that's garam masala.
garam masala, and the chili powder, and the coriander powder, all the salt.
Yeah.
Yeah,
According to your taste.
yeah, and even the spring onion.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now
We're gonna mix it well.
mix it well, combine, which is like this guy, you can see. I'm gonna combine all together. So guys, here how it goes. We combine all the dry ingredients I told you. Now we proceed with the frying stuff. So let's go. So guys, now Kabi will proceed with the tadka. For the tadka, we need some butter. We're gonna melt the butter, but don't burn it or else the taste will be bitter, right Kabi?
Yeah.
And just melt it like this. Don't put it on high flame. Yeah. As you can see, the butter is melted well. Now we'll keep putting all the ingredients, which will be the garlic, the ginger, and the cumin seeds, the turmeric. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. Now we'll combine all together on low flame. So this is how it should look, guys. Don't cook it, don't overcook it. It's done. So guys, as you can see, the tadka is ready. Now we're gonna combine with all the ingredients which we mix. Here we go. We just mix. Well,
So it's not that dry now.
yeah. It's smelling so good, Kabi. Now we're gonna proceed with the filling. So we're gonna fill the vegetables in the momo dough. So Kabi gonna teach me.
Yeah, so we're gonna spread this to the plate so that it doesn't stick here.
Okay.
Yeah, this much is enough. Then we're
Yeah.
gonna start like rolling it now.
So yeah. You do first, then I'm gonna follow you, Kabi.
Sure. Because it has to outside also.
Yeah, it's sticky right now. And you even need a bowl of water so that your hand don't get too sticky while making the filling.
So like do like this.
Oh, you touch on the edges. Put water on the edges.
Yeah, so we can stick it together.
Thank you, Kabi.
Release and put like this. Try to wrap it. It's too much, that's fine. Yeah.
Mine is like this. Okay, Kabi, show me yours.
This is like this. This is your first try, that's why.
Yeah, Kabi is a pro, so I don't know exactly. Maybe Kabi gonna make all of them. So, thank you, Kabi.
No problem. That's okay. You can try it. Now I'm putting this vanilla oil here.
Yeah.
Then I'm just gonna place this all here.
So guys, we got our steamer. So now we'll put hot water. Then we'll let it steam for how many minutes, Kabi?
12 minutes.
12 minutes. Then our momo will be ready to eat. So guys, now we're gonna make chutney for the momo. As Kabi told me, with momo we'll always have, it's a must to have chutney, right?
Yeah, so momo is incomplete without chutney.
So we can't have it just momo, like chutney will make it taste more delicious, like juicy and stuff.
Yeah.
So for the chutney we need the dry red chili, turmeric, and as you can see we have chopped tomato, onion, we need some green chilies too, and lemon, salt and sesame seeds. Now we're gonna proceed and Kabi gonna show me how to make the chutney.
Yes.
So guys, as you can see, this is how it should be exactly. Now we're gonna blend it. So guys, as you can see, the first step was sesame seeds and the red dry chili, which we fry. Now we're gonna go with the second step where we're gonna cook the tomato. So I'm gonna show you. We're gonna use the oil first. We heat it up. Yeah. Then after that, we're gonna put what? We're gonna put Kabi.
After this, we're gonna put these all things together.
Okay.
But we have to wait till it gets like, you know.
Like heat up. Yeah.
So we cook it till it gets like this one.
Soggy?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we let it cool down for 15 minutes. Then after that, we'll blend it.
Okay. So guys, as you know, this is the sesame seeds and the red dry chili. So now the last step for the chutney is we're gonna put this tomato which we cook. Now everything will go in this. And we're gonna squeeze lemon in the paste. So it tastes like yum. So the yum, I mean to say it will taste sour and you can taste the chutney like so good, yeah. Put the tomato paste in. Now we will add the coriander, all of them. So guys, here is momo ready to eat. I'm so excited to eat this momo and I want to thank Kabi for joining my vlog for today.
It was so nice to be here with you, Manisha.
Thank you so much, Kabi. So guys, now wait for my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and see ya!